What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable dialing keypad vibration feedback in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, scroll down and click on system vibration, and then here you will see a dialing keypad button. So if you want to disable dialing keypad vibration feedback, then turn off this button. And if you want to enable dialing keypad vibration feedback, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can enable or disable dialing keypad vibration feedback in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.